everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, it has been a long time coming. I am finally bringing you Trixie Cosmetics, some items that I've purchased over 700 years ago. That's right, they finally arrived at my door and I have my package right here to prove it. This is it. Look at it, Trixie Cosmetics for me, Jaymes Mansfield. We have a message from Trixie Mattel herself. Look at that beautiful photograph and let's see what it says on the back. Honey, I lovingly packaged this all by myself in full drag. Okay, not really, but it's a fun image, right? Thank you so much for playing with Trixie Cosmetics. Love, Trixie Mattel. And look, a nice laminated handwritten note for you folks. Opening up the little teeny tiny package, oh my gosh. And look, there are my two items. All right, I bought Pony Up, the glitter, and I also bought the lipstick Stacy, named after Barbie's sister. Okay, let's close that up. Now, let's take a look at Stacy lipstick. Oh my gosh, you guys, I waited so long for this. I want to see what this lipstick looks like in person. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. It's a heart-shaped lipstick. Ooh, all right. Pulling it up. That is pretty. Now this is the lipstick, but before I swatch it on my lips, I've learned from other people that have released their first makeup lines that you have to be extra, extra cautious. So this segment is called Trixie Mattel Exposed.
Expose her. Expose Trixie Mattel.
And just like all the drama channels, I bought my own microscope. So we're gonna expose Trixie for what she really is as soon as I open up this lipstick. All right, let's open it up and see what the inner contents of the Trixie Mattel Stacy lipstick are. Microscope is ready. Let's cue this up. A dramatic countdown, oh my god. All right, here we go. We're gonna put it under the microscope and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that looks. That is so gorgeous. That is a beautiful color. Oh my, that is gorgeous, you guys.
Oh,
wait, what is that?
honey.
Oh my god, you guys, what is that?
Honey.
What's going on in this thing?
Honey.
Trixie, you have some explaining to do. Is it all over the lipstick? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't believe this. This is happening and I can't believe it. It's making my camera all staticky. It's like the Blair Witch Project. Oh my goodness. I am gasping. I'm shocked, you guys. I'm not acting either. This is my genuine reactions. Look at this. They look so angry. Oh my goodness. I'm afraid to put this on my lips. I might get hurt. Oh my god, you guys. That was so weird. Trixie, you have some explaining to do. Oh my god, I can't believe this thing actually worked. I thought this microscope thing was total bullshit, but it actually gave me a good result. I can use this. This is investigative journalism that I can use to take down one of America's most popular drag queens. Oh, life can be great sometimes. I found something wrong with Trixie Cosmetics besides the shipping. Kidding. I can't believe this. I'm gonna win a People's Choice Award for using this, you guys. Now I'm gonna risk my life right now and put on this lipstick because even though it may be dangerous for me to use, I'm still bare-lipped right now and it's not a good look. So we're gonna put it on anyway and I'm gonna take this bullet for you folks, okay? Here we go. Nobel Peace Prize, People's Choice Awards, Billboard Awards. It's all gonna come my way from using this lipstick. Here we go. Now the formula is rather creamy. I think maybe those little antibodies that are on it were like working in its favor to make the formula so creamy and smooth. Now the color is pretty and honestly my lips aren't tingling, so maybe it's like some Willy Wonka stuff happening inside this lipstick that I don't know about, you know? I'm not a chemist. That is Stacy lipstick. Now aside from the antibodies that live on it, it's actually a pretty cute lipstick. It's nice and creamy, it doesn't feel really heavy on the lips. Now comes time to use Pony Up, her loose glitters. Now, I am excited to see what these look like because like, look at the packaging on that. That is so adorable. It's like a little puppy dog. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that, it's a little T for Tracy, yes. And it's whatever, hair glitter and ponies, it's glitters. So let me just take off the little sticker. Let's open it up. Okay, kids, we have it all opened up. Now comes time for us to look inside this one. Let's see if we have the same results with the microscope with this glitter. That ominous countdown, the countdown to canceling Trixie. Okay, here we go. We're inside our glitter pan right now. Everything seems normal. Okay. What?
Oh,
look at that. Do you see what I'm seeing, you guys? Oh my gosh. There they are again. And there's more of them. And they're in drag. Oh my gosh, they're like riding the ponies. My God, you guys. What's that all about? Oh my goodness. And I thought the Jacqueline Cosmetics stuff was bad, but this is really a breakthrough. Somebody call Rich Lux. Oh my gosh, I have the exclusive story right now, you guys. I'm gonna be all over all the makeup blogs. I'm gonna be so famous. Yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. I am terrified right now, you guys. I am so scared. I think that's enough. I can't look at it anymore. Oh my gosh. Do you see those things? They're riding the ponies. Not since Genuine have I seen people ride ponies like that. I was afraid to put it on my eyes. I feel like I am just, you guys, this is too much. I know it can make things better. If you smash that like button right now, if you made it this far, that would probably help me get through this, you know? Have you done it? Like the video, hurry up. You made it this far, you might as well. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take Pony up and I'm gonna put these on my eyes. Okay, here we go. How am I supposed to apply these things? I'm gonna use the eyelash glue. Take a little bit of that. Now, this thing is said not to be used on the eye, but I'm a rebel. And besides, my eye is so high up because I glue my brows down now that it's not really gonna matter. And this dries clear, so we take a little bit of that and just get a little tack going. Just pat that on my eye like that. There we go. Yes, just like that. Nice little tacky pack. All right, and take some of the ponies. All right, put them on. Get on there. Oh, God damn it. Okay, we got one, got two. No, I mean on my eyelashes. Well, there's one. Put some wet eyelash glue down, or put some ponies on this eye. One pony. Two ponies. Three ponies. Get a little more eyelash glue and put that there. Four. Yes. Ooh, that's fun. It's like a neon sign. This is fun. It looked like a 70s shampoo commercial. All right, let's put a few down here. Doop, doop. Pony and a pony. All right, those are the ponies. Now, this is fun. Now, I have to really think about what I would do with these kind of things for a look, because it's like little ponies, so I might use it for like a cowgirl look or something, but right now, I look like a 60s makeup campaign. I'm actually not kind of mad at it. I look like I just ran away from my parents and joined a hippie commune. Flower power. All right, this has been Trixie Cosmetics Exposed.
Expose her. Expose Trixie Mattel.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe we uncovered so much today. Now, other than those little like evil things that I saw growing on the lipstick, I have to say I really liked it. The lipstick was probably my favorite part. I can't wait for her to release more colors. I can't wait for her to see this video and want to collaborate with me because she has to make things right because I risked my life for her, you guys. Oh my gosh. I think I'm owed at least a lipstick named after me. Now this look is almost perfect. What it's missing though is one very special thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Magical Wig Spray by Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. Now I just spray down my hair. Now I smell just like cream soda. Thanks, Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. And if you like this wig, why not get one of your very own? I have wigs listed down below on my website, styled by moi. And if you liked this video, get one of your very own. My cameos listed down below as well. I'll say just about anything within reason. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure and hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. And until next time, bye.
Thanks for watching me expose Trixie Cosmetics. Just kidding. Click here and see me do a retro mod-inspired makeup look using Sugar Pill's Endless Summer Collection. Come on, click it. Or see me style a wig that's over 4 years old that I found in a bag in the bottom of my closet. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, me and a merry band of strippers will take you and all your Wall Street friends out for a good time and then rob you blind by stealing your credit cards. Oh no, wait, that's the plot to the new Jennifer Lopez movie. Well, click it, because I'm going to go see that right now.